Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will solve problem number 41 to 48 of summation of series. And this would be the last video on summation of series. After this, we will move on to more difficult problems on arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression, which may involve concepts of trigonometry and calculus. So let's get started. As I always say, I will say it again that when I am reading the problem, you should pause the video and try to solve the problem yourself. If you cannot solve the problem yourself, only then you should look at the solution. So let's get started. Problem number 41 says that find the sum of the series 1 plus 9 plus 24 plus 46 plus 75 up to n terms. So if you look carefully, the difference between first and second term is 8. And then you have 15. And then you have 12. Okay. So, sorry, not 12, 22. 8, 12, and 22. So we should see how we solve this problem. So when we write the series twice, and we subtract 1 from 9, 9 from 24, 24 from 46, 46 from 75. So what we obtain is 1 plus 8 plus 15 plus 22 plus 29 up to n terms minus tn. So tn will go to the left side, and if you look at the right hand side, it is the first term is 1 and common difference is 7, because 8 minus 1 is equal to 15 minus 8 is equal to 22 minus 15 is equal to 29 minus 22, which is equal to 7. So our nth term is 7 square minus 5n. So you apply the sigma operator over n square and n and substitute the formula, you will get the sum of n terms as 1 by 6 into n plus 1 into 7n minus 4. Problem number 42 says that find the nth term of the series 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11 plus 16. So we again write it twice and we subtract 2 from 4, 4 from 7, 7 from 11 and so on. So what we get is 0 is equal to 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to n minus 1 terms minus tn. So our tn is n square plus n plus 2 by 2. So that's what we were supposed to find, that is the nth term. Problem number 43 says that find the sum to n 10 terms of the series 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 and plus so on. So we write it twice. We subtract 1 from 3, 3 from 6, 6 from 10. So we get the series as 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms minus tn. So tn is n into n plus 1 by 2. So apply the sigma operator over n square and n. So we get the sum of 10 terms when we substitute n is equal to 10 as 220. Problem number 44 says that the odd natural numbers have been divided in groups as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, and so on. Show that the sum of some numbers in the nth group is 4n cube. So first group has 2 numbers, second group has 4. So nth group will have 2n terms. So the total number of terms till n minus 1th group is 2 plus 4 plus 6 up to 2n minus 2. As you can see, it has 2, 4, 6 numbers. So n minus 1th group would have 2n minus 2 numbers. The total number of numbers would be n into n minus 1. So the first term of the nth group would be n into n minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to plus 2 would be there, plus 2, because if you see, these are only odd numbers. So plus 2, that is equal to 1 plus n square minus n minus 1 into 2 plus 2, which is equal to 2n square minus 2n plus 1. Because first term is our 1, number of terms is this much, and common difference is 2 plus 2. So the required sum would be the first term into 2 plus total number of terms minus 1 into common difference, and 2n minus 2 would be 2n by 2 is the n minus 2 in the formula of n terms. So we get this, we solve this to obtain the sum as 4n cube. Problem number 45 says that show that the sum of numbers in each of the following groups is n square of an odd positive integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first term has one number, second has three, and third has five. So nth group would have 2n minus 1 numbers. Also, the first term of an AP is the first term being 1 and common difference 1. So the first term of nth group is n. So what I mean to say is that uh, first term of the AP is 1 here. Okay. So the first term of nth group would be how much? So this is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this 3, 4 is repeated. 1, 2, 3. So after that 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. So nth group would have n as the first term. So sum would be 2n minus 1 by 2 because it would have 2n minus 1 terms, the nth group, into 2 into first term, which would be n, plus total number of terms would be 2n. Let me see, 1, 3, 5. So it would be 2n minus 1. So 2n minus 1 into common difference, which is 2. So the total is 2n minus 1 whole square, which is square of an odd positive integer. Problem number 46 says that find the sum to n terms of the series 2 plus 5 plus 14 plus 41 and so on. So we write it twice and we subtract 2 from 5, 5 from 14, 14 from 41 and so on. So we obtain this as 0 is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 up to n minus 1 terms minus tn. We take tn this side, so tn is equal to 2 plus, this is a GP with first term 3 and common ratio also 3. So sum of GP would be 3 into 3 to the power n minus 1 by 2. Now we apply the sigma operator. So we get the final answer as 3 by 4 into 3 to the power n minus 1 plus n by 2. Problem number 47 says that find the sum to n terms of the series 1.1 plus 2.3 plus 4.5 plus 8.7. So see, the first number of the terms is 1, 2, 4, 8. That is, it is a GP with the common ratio 2. The second number in each term is 1, 3, 5, 7. That is, it is an AP, and the final, the nth term will have 2n minus 1. So this is basically a GP with first term 1 and common ratio 2, and then we have arithmetico-geometric series formula, which we have derived earlier, which is equal to this much. So we substitute the value common difference as 1, common ratio as 2, and first term as 1, and then we substitute all other values as well, and we find the final value to be this much. So with this, we come to the end of, oh, there are only 47 problems. Hang on, let me see. Yeah, there are only 47 problems, not 48. So with this, we come to the end of summation of series. If you have found this video useful and informative, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. Give me a thumbs up because that motivates me to make more such videos. And leave a comment if you have something to say or if you want videos on any particular topic, and I'll try to come up with videos on those. So from next video we'll solve some involving problems, so get ready for that, because those won't be so easy. They will involve trigonometry, calculus, and other concepts from other mathematical topics. So I wish you all the best uh, when you solve those hard problems. With this, I will end this video. Enjoy.